In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your projects using the Gantt chart method, focusing on how to create tasks with start and end dates, utilize the Gantt chart view for better planning, and link dependencies to visualize a waterfall flow. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their project management capabilities, whether for work, school, or personal projects. So let's get started. To begin, we need to create tasks with specific start and end dates. Think of these as the building blocks of your project. Each task represents a step that needs to be completed, and by assigning dates, we clearly define when each step will begin and end. Start by identifying all the tasks necessary for the project. The more detailed and specific you can be, the better. This will not only help you stay organized, but also give you a clearer picture of the project's timeline. Once you've listed your tasks, assign a start and end date to each one. Consider how long you realistically expect each task to take, keeping in mind any potential roadblocks that might delay progress. It might be helpful to use a calendar or a project management tool to visually map out these dates, ensuring that they align with any deadlines or milestone goals you have set. Now that we have our tasks and timelines in place, let's move on to using the Gantt chart view to organize and visualize this information. A Gantt chart is a bar chart that visually represents a project schedule. It's an excellent tool for organizing tasks and making sure everything is on track. Input your tasks and their respective dates into the Gantt chart tool of your choice. This will generate a visual timeline of your project with bars representing the duration of each task. The benefit of this visual representation is that it allows you to see at a glance what's been completed, what needs to happen next, and any potential overlap between tasks. It can help identify potential scheduling issues and can also be used to track progress over time. By routinely updating your Gantt chart, you can ensure your project stays on schedule. Finally, let's talk about linking dependencies to visualize a waterfall flow. In project management, dependencies are the relationships between tasks. Some tasks can't start until others are finished. By linking these dependencies in your Gantt chart, you create a waterfall flow where one task's completion leads to the next task's start. To set up dependencies, identify which tasks are interrelated and need to proceed in sequence. In your Gantt chart tool, you'll typically find an option to link tasks together by setting task dependencies. As you link these tasks, you'll notice how the chart begins to visually articulate the orderly flow of your project. This not only clarifies the sequence of tasks, but also highlights the impact that delays can have on downstream tasks. And there you have it. By creating tasks with defined start and end dates, using the Gantt chart view for visualization, and linking dependencies to maintain a seamless workflow, you can manage your projects more efficiently and effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this process helpful as you embark on your next project.